Hi friends, welcome to today's video. Today we're doing a really fun one. We're doing DIY Halloween costume ideas. I've got a few that I was able to put together myself and I'll be showing some examples of that. And then also a whole list of other ideas that I wasn't able to throw together but still figured I'd share because I think they're really fun and hopefully you would be able to recreate them, maybe at least something from this list. Basically my intention with this is to encourage people to try and DIY their own costumes with things they either already own in their closets or could borrow from friends or family, or easily go and thrift. And I think it's just such a fun idea. Not only is it good for the environment, because I mean costumes are really one of those things you wear like once, and I mean hopefully you donate it, but even that, it's just like wearing something once a year or getting only a couple uses out of its entire lifespan isn't that great. If you could use pieces that you could also wear on an everyday basis, that's really awesome. It's also fun to kind of play around with it and make costumes inspired by a character or whatever you're making, but not really have to go so specific into it. Like it could be your own twist on it, and I think that personalized touch just makes it really fun, and sometimes the looks come out even cuter than a costume you could buy at a store. I've got ideas for solo outfits as well as duo and group costumes. I'm going to start with the ones I was able to throw together outfits for and then transition into listing the rest of them. So without further ado, let's get into the costume ideas. A fortune teller. I was excited styling the outfit for this. I think it's all about layers, making things flowy, doing a lot of jewelry as well, things like headscarves, and bring a little prop like some cards or a little magic 8-ball vampire. I found this really cute lingerie dress at the thrift store, and it's got this red and black lacy detailing, and I thought it was super fitting for a vampire kind of outfit. And for this one, it's really all about the facial stuff, I think. So get some fangs, do a little fake blood. Definitely check out the lingerie section. I think anything black or red, deeper colors really matches that. And then these next two I really like. I'm really into that like pixie and fairy kind of aesthetic, and if you're able to get your hands on some wings, which I was able to get some from my mom's closet. She said she thrifted them a while back. Tinkerbell, if you got a lot of green stuff. I have a little green mini skirt and then a really flowy blouse. Tinkerbell wears like a strapless thing, but my flowy long sleeve blouse was so pretty for it and I think matched really well. And again, like just putting a personal touch on it, I think that's a lot more my style. And then if not, if you don't have so much green stuff but you do have wings, just being like a generic pixie or fairy. I think for this one it's really fun to again check out the lingerie section for like a super cute kind of sparkly or like, I don't know, just fun colors and detailing, because I was able to find this bright blue one that I really love for the outfit. It's just so cute. You can jazz it up with some jewelry. I think dainty like florals and butterflies really match it, and really whatever for the bottoms, like a mini skirt. Yeah, that one's super fun, easily customizable, and you can also pull from different like pixie characters and other TV shows. I know there's like Winx Club, but yeah, you can just put your own spin, do your own color combos. Next up, we've got some retro outfits. So one could be like to be a disco dancer. You can go a little more all out with some like headbands or stuff like that kind of match that vibe. Scarves as well. And then along with that, a little bit different but still in that 60s 70s style is more of a mod look. So for this I think of more like geometric shapes, not necessarily like fun and sparkly and bright like disco, but yeah, just more like black and white or brown. And again, just styling with like some big hoop earrings, doing the whole makeup. And another variation as well that also fits that 70s groovy vibe would be more of a hippie style look. So things like flares, lots of florals, tie-dye, just colorful, like sunglasses as well. Really play around with it, but yeah, a lot more colorful. Next, another cute one that you can really customize is a witch. I think for this, just make sure you have elements of like black in there. Get a little witch hat or like a broomstick or a wand. I really like the outfit I was able to put together with this. I got a skirt recently at the thrift that really inspired it. I threw on a corset with it, which I think just kind of jazzed it up a little bit. And then this next one's super duper easy. It's like a teddy bear. If you have any of those like fluffy brown jackets, I have kind of oversized, and then I think if you just wear that and then just tie a really cute bow around your neck to pull it all together, and then you can put your hair in like little top knots or make some little cutout ears. Next up, you could be a pirate. This one, I think flowy pieces are the way to go. I think definitely have a white base, like a big flowy shirt, and then I think an element like a corset or something really ties the look together. This one, again, you can do long or short skirt, and I think a headscarf, or if you're able to get your hands on a pirate hat, would work perfectly. And then another easy one, Chucky overalls, striped shirt, hold a fake knife maybe. Another easy one that I think anyone could DIY is like a librarian and glasses, hold props like a book. And again, for that one, you can make it a little bit more modest if you wanted to, but I think it's super easy to make it a little bit more scandalous as well. It'd be Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland. I think this one's super fun to just layer a ton of pieces, clashing patterns, clashing colors, tie something around your neck as well. Yeah, I think that one you have a lot of freedom with. Another fun one would be Dua Lipa. Specifically the outfit I was thinking of that would be a little easier to replicate than most of her like super glam performance looks would be her album cover of Future Nostalgia. It's like a pink collared shirt and like white sleeves under, and that's kind of the only section you can see in the photo. So make sure to do like the middle part. Yeah, I think that top section is super easily recognizable, as you could take such a cute picture like in the car to replicate it. And now onto the outfits I couldn't throw together myself and didn't want to go out and like buy stuff just for the sake of the video, but we've got a bunch of things. You could do the Disney Channel games. They have like 4 different colors you could choose from. You have kind of athletic wear, super cute. You could iron on something onto the shirt or just stick something on like paper cutout. Another fun throwback one is Avril Lavigne. I think her outfits with like camel pants, white top, and a tie around her neck are super fun. Okay, then next up, this one's super cute. I saw a little girl dressing up as one on like Instagram or something, and it'd be to be a banana slug. If you have like yellow clothing, you'd put little like eyes on top of your head or do little antennas. What are those called? But yeah, glue something onto like a headband. Again, you could be Beth Harmon from Queen's Gambit. I love all her dresses. They're super like tailored and kind of simpler outfits, but they're like super clean cut and beautiful. Only Murders in the Building has been one of my favorite shows at the moment. You could be Bloody Mabel. I think her outfit there is so cute, like a chunky white knit sweater and then a plaid skirt and then fake blood. Just bloody it up. Or any of the other characters. A trio costume would be really cute there. If someone wants to dress like the older guys, they have great style as well. Don't Worry Darling. People hate on that movie so much, but I honestly thoroughly enjoyed it, and the style especially in that is so nice. And retro, kind of more like a 40s 50s vibe. Tailored suit for a guy and then longer like fit and flare dress for the girl. The girls in Booksmart. One girl dresses like a little bit more preppy, the other one's a little bit more tomboy. And another cute duo for like best friends could be in Bullet Train. There was Tangerine and Lemon, the brothers. Oh my god. And their fits are so cute as well. Like if you have a, I think, denim jacket and neckties. Also in Bullet Train, they had a bunch of other characters. The girl in it, pink little vest and skirt. Just a full pink outfit, really cute. Little backpack as well. And then the main guy, Brad Pitt, he was wearing like a bucket hat throughout it. That could be a super simple, easy costume to throw together. La La Land as well. The iconic like yellow dress she wears. Again, this one has to be a duo, I think, to really get the point across, but Parent Trap, like you could either do their camp uniforms, like the little white tee and green shorts, or later on when they go back home, like someone's more preppy, fancy schmancy little outfits, headbands, and the other girl kind of wearing like a denim jacket, really casual clothes. In Princess Bride, the main characters there, the girl wears like a red dress with long sleeves, so gorgeous, and the guy all black with like a little mask covering the eyes. Austin Powers, his looks are quite iconic, and if you want to be any of the girl characters in there, there's so many cute, again, kind of retro 60s 70s outfits. And Mamma Mia, that whole trio of Donna and her friends, they have a ton of iconic forming outfits, or one of their more casual looks for Donna or Sophie. I think like flowy overalls. Again, like how I was saying, the Future Nostalgia album cover for Dua Lipa, I think you'd totally do the same for other celebrities. One I really love is Taylor Swift. I think one of her album covers is where she's wearing like a trench coat, has a red lip, and like a little beret cute hat. Or any of her other album covers or like characters from her music videos. I think the You Belong With Me, the 2 different versions of her, would be a super cute duo costume as well. Another cute group one would would be the Beatles. You have 4 people. You all can get your hands on some nice suits. I think specifically the album cover where they're walking across the sidewalk would be so iconic to recreate. Just make sure you get the different color schemes down to each person. Another super cute couple's costume would be from Up, Ellie and Carl. I see a lot of people do Russell and Carl, which is also really cute, but come on, if you're like a boy and girl that uses them as more kids, later on when they're adults, you can recreate that little adventure book thing as a prop. And ending off with a couple of my favorite like cartoon shows, I think the characters have super fun outfits as well. Chowder characters, all of them, such fun outfits. You make like the little hats or different headpieces to kind of match their characters. I think Chowder and Panini would be a really cute duo. This one's so easy. I can't believe I hadn't thought of it sooner, but Linus from the Charlie Brown series is specifically the one with a great pumpkin. Like, just wear his fit, have your little blue blanket, and then like on a sign have the welcome home great pumpkin or whatever it said. Of course, any of the other Peanuts characters would be adorable. Phineas and Ferb as well. All the outfits in that show, like looking at the characters, they're really like realistic, so that's why it's a good show to pull from. They're like actual things humans wear. Candace and Jeremy, Phineas and Ferb, Phineas and Isabella, Ferb and Vanessa as well. Vanessa's outfit, so good. Or just a ton of characters would be great for a friend group. Again, all of their outfits, even Belgique, his outfit, so cute if you have little blue overalls. If you're into Moomin, I don't know if you would want to dress up as a Moomin. Like, I don't know what happened with the whole head situation there, but some cute characters could be Little My or Snuffkin, pink and green, cute duo there as well. Next up we have Over the Garden Wall. Any of the characters from that show, so cute, especially the brothers. Gotta do, if you got a teapot on your head, make a little cone hat. Yeah, that one is a little bit more specific pieces, but I feel like you may be able to find close dupes at the thrift store or be able to DIY it if you want to get into sewing or crafting. Teen Titans, Raven and Starfire were me and my sister's go-to costumes as little kids. If you want to get a little bit more crafty with their little like headpieces and cuffs and all that, great group costume as well. And then finally, Big City Greens, one of my favorite cartoon shows. But yeah, all the family members in that show, like I think Tilly would be a super fun one. If I had a purple dress, I'd definitely try to be her, but like add a little collar and be so cute. And that brings me to the end of my list. I know it was very long, so thank you for bearing with me. I hope you're able to get some inspiration from it. Hopefully there's at least one in there that you're like, oh shoot, I can do that myself. I hope you're all having a wonderful October month so far, enjoying getting into the fall festivities. If you enjoyed this video and found something useful from it, be sure to give it a like, leave a comment. What are you gonna be for Halloween, or what was your favorite idea from this video? I'd love to hear it and get inspired maybe by what you're dressing up as. Be sure to subscribe and put on your notifications so you can be in the loop of when I post future videos. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!